Hi, my name is Krish. Welcome to this journey through advanced business strategy and competitive advantage. Today we are going to study the chapter, which is competitive advantage and differentiation. In this chapter, we'll explore how businesses create unique value, maintain their edge, and stand out in competitive markets. Understanding competitive advantage. Let's start with the basics. Competitive advantage means a company is doing something better than others in its industry. It could be offering products at lower prices, cost advantage, or providing better quality or features, differentiation advantage. This leads to more profit, loyal customers, and a stronger brand. As Michael Porter famously said, strategy is about doing things differently from rivals. That's exactly what competitive advantage is. Being unique and valuable in a way others can't easily copy. Identifying your advantage. To build this edge, a business must ask 3 key questions. First, who are your customers? You need to deeply understand the people you're serving. Second, what value do you provide? It's not enough to just sell. You must solve real problems or offer something people care about. Third, how do you deliver it differently? Maybe it's your technology, your team, or your customer experience that makes the difference. Porter's generic strategies. Michael Porter gave us 3 big ways to gain competitive advantage. Cost leadership. Be the cheapest producer, like Walmart. Differentiation. Offer something unique, like Apple. Focus strategy. Target a specific niche, like Tesla did with luxury EVs initially. Each strategy has its strengths. The key is to choose one and stick to it. Cost leadership in detail. This is about being the low-cost leader in the market. The company keeps costs down using scale, technology, and efficient processes. For example, Walmart uses smart supply chains and bulk buying to offer everyday low prices. But there are risks. Competitors can catch up, and customers may start caring more about quality than price. Differentiation strategy. Here, companies offer something unique that customers love. Think about Apple. Sleek design, smooth software, great customer support. People are willing to pay more because of the overall experience. But this strategy only works if your difference really matters to customers and justifies the premium pricing. Focus or niche strategy. A focus strategy means targeting a specific group of customers. It could be a luxury segment, a regional market, or a specific use case. Tesla, for example, began with high-end electric cars before expanding. A focused approach allows deep specialization, but it also means the market is smaller. Stuck in the middle. Warning: some companies try to combine all 3 strategies and fail. They're not cheap enough to be cost leaders, not unique enough to differentiate, and not focused enough to serve a niche. That's called being stuck in the middle, a dangerous place where no strategy works well and performance suffers. Resource-based view, RBV. Now let's shift to a different way of thinking, looking inside the company. RBV says that the secret to advantage lies in your internal resources, what you own and what you're good at. These could be tangible, like tech, money, or intangible, like brand, patents, or culture. The idea is that not all companies have the same resources, and some are much harder to copy. The VRIO framework. VRIO is a tool to test if a resource can lead to sustainable advantage. It stands for valuable. Does it help you gain or protect value? Rare. Do few others have it? Imitable. Is it hard to copy? Organized. Is the company set up to use it properly? Take Apple. Its sleek ecosystem, loyal customer base, and smooth product integration are all valuable, rare, hard to imitate, and well managed. That's why it keeps winning. Sustainable competitive advantage. The goal is to create an advantage that lasts. For that, businesses need barriers to imitation like path dependency, unique company history, causal ambiguity, hard to see causes of success, social complexity, relationships, culture, economic deterrence, being so big that others hesitate to enter. Together, these act as shields that protect a company's lead. Strategic positioning. Strategic positioning is about how you compete. Do you serve different needs, serve different people, or do things in new ways? Variety-based, offering a small part of the market really well, like Vanguard with low-cost funds. Needs-based, serving all needs of a specific group, like IKEA for budget-conscious home buyers. Access-based, reaching hard-to-access customers, like rural hospitals. Brand as a differentiator. Strong brands like Tiffany & Company create instant recognition and trust. Their brand allows them to charge more even if the product is similar to others. Brand equity includes awareness, quality, associations, and loyalty, all of which help build barriers competitors can't easily break. Barriers to imitation. These include legal tools like patents, economic advantages like scale, historical edges like early entry, and even cultural factors like strong teams and employee loyalty. The more complex and protected your business model, the harder it is for others to copy. Digital era advantages. In the digital age, companies win through platforms, network effects, data, smart algorithms, and ecosystems, integrated services. For example, Google gets better with every search, and Amazon thrives as more users join. Data, speed, and smart tech now play a huge role in building and maintaining advantage. How to measure competitive advantage. We use both financial and market indicators. Financials like return on assets, ROA, return on equity, ROE, and economic value added, EVA, show profitability. Market share, pricing power, and customer loyalty show your position in the market. Sustained success across these metrics means you've built a true advantage. Case study: Starbucks. Starbucks stands out with its third place between home and work. It's more than coffee. It's an experience. Its resources include brand, location, and app convenience. Barriers like its loyal customer base, tech ecosystem, and real estate strategy protect its edge. Even with competition, Starbucks stays ahead by constantly innovating while preserving its identity.